Hi, I'm a doctor that believes in sustainable weight loss, and these are 5 things that I would recommend. Hopefully, they're not as controversial as the things that I don't recommend. So, number 1 is a high protein and fiber diet. You don't have to track, but even better if you do. The American College of Sports Medicine recommends around 0.6 to 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body mass. And then, if you're not tracking, your food plate should look like protein, carbs, fruits, and vegetables. Number 2 is hot people walks or zone 2 cardio. This will help you burn significantly more calories than any sort of HIIT workout. And the reason why is because it is low intensity, it can be repeated, it is not very fatiguing, and overall increases your non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Number 3, resistance training with a goal to gain strength. This will help you with functionality and independence in your everyday lives, and the increase in muscle mass can help with metabolism and decrease in insulin resistance. Number 4 is sleep and recovery. Try to get at least 8 hours of sleep at night. If your sleeping sucks, try to start a good sleep routine. And number 5, supplements or medications. Creatine, most well-studied supplement, helps with muscle recovery in training. And then medication-wise, some people just have a dysregulation in hunger and satiety cues. GLP-1 inhibitors such as Ozempic have been well studied and now FDA approved for long-term weight loss and management, and has cardiovascular benefits. So those are my recommendations. Let me know what you think.